Respected sir and all my dear friends, a nice evening to all of you. I am Rohit from SBN. Today, I am very delighted to be here. First of all, I would like to say thanks my sir who has given me a nice chance to discuss about power of book. Today, I want to tell you about the power of book. You know very well, book is a great medium of education and knowledge, and with the help of which we know about anything which is happening in the world and which is happening in the country. Like we know about anything like CRPC and IPC. When we arrested by police, then we discuss with police, and we have rights like self-incrimination and geopardy and export post one. And we have many of many of rights which is given by constitution. Like we have seven rights like freedom and religious freedom and money freedom and security freedom. And we know about anything like when we read book, then crack any exams like difficult like UPSC. This is a biggest difficult exam in the country. And we know any crack exams. And we know anything about our taxation system like surcharge and cess and income tax revenue. And we know about anything when India didn't get freedom, and but he get freedom by newspaper when first is published the newspaper of Bengal Gazette. And we know